Oh yes, I'm looking forward to this one. We have new hardware from Viture here. This is the Viture One XR Pro. As you know, I'm a very big fan of the Viture headsets, the XR1 and the XR1 Lite. I really love them because, well, they have a great quality and they have these cool accessories that will allow you to watch and play with two people at a time. Really love it. Now, this here is the Viture One XR Glasses Pro. And these promise to make everything even more enjoyable. With a bigger screen, yes, an even bigger virtual screen that you can watch your movies on or that you can play your games with. Nice. I'm looking forward to this. And now this also has 120 Hertz, something that was the downside of the original because it only had 60. It was fine for me, but I know many of you want this upgrade. And here it is, the Viture One XR Pro. Also, they have a new mobile dock that I also got here. Viture mobile dock, and this here now still allows you to watch and play with two people at the same time, but now this also supports 3D content. This didn't work like that before. Cool. And we even have more. We have a Viture controller made by 8-bit dough. So very cool that they're working together. And yeah, looking forward to unbox this too. So in this video, I'm going to unbox this all. We're going to have a look and I'm going to give you my first impressions. So absolutely stay tuned. Watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. I'm so glad that you're back here on the channel. My name is Sebastian, and if you are as excited as me about all these gadgets that extend our realities, then this is the right channel to be. So subscribe now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. And now we're going to unbox all of this stuff. And here we are again, unboxing a Viture headset. And every single time it has been a great experience since everything is just so high quality. And here again, just check this out. What a beautiful hard case. Here it is. So, the Pro version, this is the definite version of the Viture One. We get a higher refresh rate, now 120 Hertz, finally, right? And we have a bigger screen. Bigger than before, 10% they say. So I'm looking forward to check this out. And yeah, here you see always those nice nose pieces. And in terms of quality, again, it just feels like I'm doing an Apple product unboxing, right? It is the same standard. It's so good. So the Pro version of these glasses are going to set you back $459. So around $110 more expensive than the Viture One Lite that I showed you in my last Viture video. And now let's get to the main event, the headset. So these are the only glasses that have myopia adjustments on the newest Sony panel. So this is the very latest Sony panel. It is brighter than other screens. And well, you got this electrochromic film, which will allow you to dim down your environment. And that's what I'm looking forward to checking out in this first impressions video. But just check out the looks of these glasses. Wow, they look so good. They look so good. I love the color scheme. And I also like that the cable, you would put it here magnetically, just like in the original Viture One. The Viture Lite, you would stick them in, but I really love that magnet. And the material here, it feels so high class. This is not plastic. This is an aluminum alloy, like space grade. And yeah, you can tell it feels so good. Here we have the myopia adjustment, again from 0 to -5 diopters. So that is nice. Yep, very important to get these off. Oh yes, good. So for the button placement, nothing has changed. We have a volume and brightness rocker here. We have a single button here for the privacy function that I'm going to show you later. Here are the speakers, exactly. That's what you can see here. And yeah, overall, simply a very, very high quality feel to it. just feels good in the hands. And yeah, this part you could exchange, so to make the headset fit your head. Yeah, the color scheme, just nice, this gray and then this orange Viture logo and this kind of purple reflections. Yeah, it is a beauty. It is a beauty. So let's check out the cable. On one side we have USB-C and on the other side we have this magnetic connector. Let me show it to you. This is a very strong connection, so you don't have to worry that this will fall off or something. It's simply going to stick there and the magnet feels good. I love magnets, as you know, and so I like this connection here. So we have the myopia adjustment, but here this is a magnet, so you could still add different kind of lens inserts for your prescription if you would need that, and that is good. All right, now let's get to the mobile dock, and this is the new version of the mobile dock. I loved the old version because it would allow you to play video games with two people if you had two of the Viture glasses. Now this is the second version, and the amazing thing here is that this will also work with your RAW kits and your X-Reels and so on. So if you have a RAW kit or an X-Reel, you can simply get this here and the Viture Pro, and you can watch your favorite movie together with your partner, or you can play a video game together. So this is such a good accessory, and I can't believe that the other companies didn't come up with that yet. It is crazy in my opinion, because this is also a power bank. So this will add 6 hours of playtime to your Steam Deck, for example. And here, these are the connections for the two glasses, and the connection for any kind of HDMI device, and a connection for your Switch or your Steam Deck or whatever. So good. Simply the best accessory ever, and now works with X-Reel and RAW kit as well. Yes. So what else do we have here? We have a USB-C to C cable that I'm going to show you here. And while I do that, I want to simply let you know that Viture truly so far has only delivered. You know, like they are one of the companies that under-promise and over-deliver. So they got the feedback, hey, we would love to have that mobile dock also working with other headsets, and boom, now second version, it also works with other headsets. So good. Now in the end, let's also have a look at that Bluetooth controller from 8BitDo, and they do really nice gaming accessories, so it's just fitting that they work together with Viture. So yeah, you could simply get this for $39 and play video games on your Viture glasses, right? Connect this to your iPhone or to your iPad mini or to the neckband and simply get your game on. And yeah, it feels good and it simply fits to your Viture glasses in terms of colors. So I am going to check that out in my full review for sure. And as you can tell here, it has a blue light. What does it do? Turns blue. All right. Very cool. Good that they have this in their lineup now as well. And you know what? It is simply time now to check out the Viture Pro. So let's do that next. All right, as always with Viture, a really premium unboxing experience. And the products, they again feel so high quality. Now, the Viture Pro even feels more quality, like higher quality than the ones before, like the material. It doesn't feel plasticky anymore. Yeah, it's really nice. Just have a look before I'm going to put this on for the very first time. Wow. Incredible. This looks so good. Yeah. And you know what? I'm going to put this on now for the very first time. And very soon I'm also going to check out if the thing, the screen is indeed bigger. So this is how it looks on me. I hope it looks good. Yeah, it does. Nice. Today here with my cappy on. Very cool. And I would wear this in a plane, in public. Yeah, I would also wear the Apple Vision Pro in public, right? But this I would also wear in a coffee shop. Whereas The Apple Vision Pro, I would not wear in a coffee shop, but only in a plane and so on and so forth. So this is already a win. But of course, I need to find out now, what about the visuals? Is the screen really noticeably bigger than before? Let's check it out. I am simply going to connect this with my iPhone 15 to see what this can do. And wow, the quality, the colors, it is just so nice. OLED. So let's start a movie or something. Okay, I have to accept the new price from Netflix. Thank you. Damn. It's getting more and more expensive here. So let me watch something here. How about this here? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is indeed noticeably bigger than the Viture 1 and the Viture 1 Lite. Great. And again, in terms of visuals, in terms of the quality, it's so good. The colors are so beautiful. Just OLED colors, perfect blacks, super vibrant colors. Nice. Yeah, and it is noticeable. It is simply bigger. Let me check out the modes here. Is it still the same? Ah, no. I have now turned on 3D mode, but this is not 3D. No, no, no. Okay. Wow, but I have to say now, it's really dark around the screen. So they have this film where you can simply darken it down. And I believe this must be like the darkest mode now, because everything is nearly black around the virtual display, which is kind of interesting because I have like two huge studio lights pointing at me. Wow. This is so much stronger than for the normal version. I wonder how I can. Okay, I can change the brightness here. Okay, here. Wow. So now I can see through here. I can see my studio light and everything. Wow, but if I turn it on again, like the studio light, it would even like cancel out the studio light. I just see the screen now, the virtual screen, and the black around it. This is truly, truly noteworthy. So let me check out how loud this can get. All right, the sound is really clear. I don't think it's so much louder than the versions before. That's my very first impression right now. But again, it is loud enough for me to listen to it. And yeah, wow, this is a really, really good first impression. Wow, I'm loving the size of it. I love the size. And I'm sure you will appreciate the 120 hertz as well, especially those of you who want to use this on the ROG Ally and all these machines that can do 120 hertz. Wow, but the clarity, it's just so good. But the thing that I'm mostly shocked about right now is the darkness around them, because this is just so bright here. Wow, so check this out. Now it's dark and now it's bright. And now it's dark again. Wow, but how dark? I haven't seen that on any other of these kind of glasses. Like how dark this is getting here. Wow, what a great first impression. So I'm going to test this in the next days to give you a full review and not just hear my first impressions. Obviously, I'll play with Steam Deck. Obviously, I'm going to try here the new mobile dock, yeah, where you can watch with two people. And also, I am going to check out the controller. Yeah, it fits so well. The color scheme, so nice, right? So this will allow me to play games online on the device. So that's that. But my very first impression, simply better than the original and the Lite in every way. And just, wow, the visuals are like so good. And you could even, yeah, adjust the your prescription, right? Like, I'm short-sighted, so I just adjusted it a little bit to make it even better. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Very, very good first impression, and my review of these is not going to be very far away because I got this a bit earlier than I'm allowed to publish this video, right? So next to the unboxing and the first impressions, really soon, probably directly after this, you're going to see my review of the Viture XR1 Pro. Very much hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions. So make sure to watch the full review of these. And well, the link to the Viture One XR Pro down in the description of this video. And yeah, do let me know, what are your thoughts about the Viture One XR Pro? Are you going to pick them up? Simply let me know down in the comment section. So if you enjoyed this video, I would be very happy if you give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, then absolutely do that now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And yeah, do let me know in the comment section, what do you think of these and are you going to pick this up? I'm looking forward to see you in the next one or on the MRTV Discord server, the link down in the description of this video. And now I'm looking forward to see you in the review. Until then, bye-bye.